another trio of closely bound stars that are quite near to our planet, decoded by multiple rovers and spacecraft. Astronomers always seek new homes beyond Earth to extend our reach, and now they've found this, called Alpha Centauri. But what does this trio have that could beat our solar system? And does this proximity suggest the sustainability of life? Well, the Alpha Centauri, a triad positioned relatively close to the Sun, holds potential as a habitable place. But how far is it? Although it's said to be near, it's not as near as you think. It's over 4 light years away. In simpler words, almost 25 trillion miles. According to the scientists, it would take approximately 50 years to reach there with the support of a fusion rocket. However, we haven't found the right spacecraft to undertake the journey of such distances. Regardless, we can imagine the near future bringing us keys to such locked opportunities. Let us now take a closer look at Alpha Centauri. This set of 3 stars, namely Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri A, and Alpha Centauri B, are bound and supported by invisible beams of gravity. Within this triplet, Alpha Centauri A and B form a binary star system, meaning they come as a pair, and these are the brightest stars known in the southern sky. However, it is quite effortless to spot the binary stars according to their brightness. Note that Alpha Centauri B is dimmer than the other. Let's take a moment to envision the composition of these stars and how it's going to be if we get there. First comes the Proxima Centauri, the star that is positioned slightly closer to Earth. This is much smaller and dimmer as compared to the others. Proxima Centauri is so insignificant that the scientists question if it's part of the system or something that's just passing by. This red dwarf, which is particularly dim, is about 0.2 light-years away from the others. Despite it being an unimportant star, it is not quite it. It is confirmed that Proxima Centauri has 2 planets, one of them being inside the habitable zone, meaning this could be a planet with livable temperatures and the presence of water. Next, this Earth-like exoplanet is called Proxima b, which has an orbital period of 11 Earth days. Imagine having only a mere 11 days a year. Quite bizarre, isn't it? There was yet another discovery about an exoplanet near Proxima Centauri, which was later called Proxima c. This planet is said to be 7 times larger than Earth. Imagine how much life and richness of species it could hold. Even with our latest technology, it would take over thousands of years to orbit this planet. This is also the reason behind why it's called the Super Earth or Mini Neptune. Besides its size, there's yet another feature that makes Proxima c exceptionally special. According to the scientists, this exoplanet is a little too bright for a planet of that age, which implies that it could have a ring system around it, something like Saturn of our solar system. The possibilities don't end there. It's also reported that the binary stars could also have such planets. However, they're not quite visible to our probes yet. Then comes the binary stars, Alpha A and B. This binary set of stars orbits around their center mass, which takes almost 80 Earth years to orbit fully. These stars orbit elliptically, meaning the distance between them changes throughout their journey. Let me approximately describe their mass for you to have a vivid imagination. They're almost the size of our Sun, with similar masses as well. In the year 2021, there had been speculations among scientists that there could be a couple of exoplanets orbiting Alpha A. However, we'd need advanced telescopes like the James Webb to officially confirm the fact. Alpha Centauri b is slightly cooler in comparison to the others. It's an orange dwarf star. It might seem like the Sun with an orange hue, but only so much cooler. It has this luminous reddish-orange halo around it and seems like it's flaring up in space. And now, at last comes the ultimate question that has been eagerly anticipated by all of you. Can any of these planets sustain life? Will our rain conquer lands beyond Earth? The answer to this is quite uncertain. The planet Proxima b could be the planet we could step on and flourish, but this comes lined with problems like extreme weather conditions, which could make it unsuitable for human habitation. Besides the climatic conditions, the red dwarfs and Proxima Centauri emit strong radiation and X-ray emissions that could put lives at risk. Position in the habitable zone alone is not the key to all our questions. Our questions will remain unanswered until further exploration.